Okay, let's just do a short video here about how we can update this title block the easy way. Now, if we zoom in here, Trevor's done some great work making this title block, so you can see all this is text down there. But now open that up and have a look. You know, certainly there's nothing stopping us coming through and filling these all in just manually. But I checked before, I think there's 62, doesn't, maybe it is, yeah, 62 of these. So 62 ways we can make a mistake. So there's a better way to fill that in, and the way we're going to do that is that Trevor has basically made all this text attributed and put into a CSV file, and we're going to use that to drive the text here using a lisp file. So where do we start? Okay, now first thing to remember is that every title block, or every type of title block in our case, will have its own unique CSV file, and that's on our Dropbox there at the moment. So you can grab that. There'll be a template, a DWT file, and an associated CSV file. So you need both of those, and you also need a Lisp routine, and we'll check if it's loaded here, and it's called, the command is UTB, and it's there already. But if you haven't got that, it is going to look a little bit like, oops, have a look, see if we can find it. Let's go over here. C drive, OpenCAD, this routines, there it is, update title block, okay? So you've got to have that in the drawing. Now, you can do that a couple of ways. We can just drag that straight into a drawing and it will load up. But a better way, I guess, is to make sure it always loads up. So that's just upload, and make sure we do upload that it's in the startup suite. If we go in there now, we can see it's there, update title block. So every time we open a file, it goes in there. Okay, so we need to have those in there. Now, let's imagine we're doing, I don't know, a mine site. So we need to call this drawing something. So let's get our list together, what we're going to call these drawings. We'll go back to here. Okay, so in here at the moment, we've got that file I just opened up there at the moment. It's a DWT, or we're about to make it a DWG. And we've got this CSV file. Really important that the CSV file is in the same folder as the drawings you want to use it to update. Okay, and we can have as many drawings as you want. We've opened this up and drag it across. This is what it looks like. Now, we can have hundreds of drawings here, doesn't matter how many we have, but it's important that this CSV file and the drawing we're looking to update sit in the same folder. So let's just make an example here. Drawing number, what do we call it? Let's we'll just make sort of a dummy one. We'll call it the project. The folder is 300, so let's call it 0300. Let's call it ABC mine. Actually, that should be underscore, shouldn't it? Underscore ABC. We'll call it like a locality plan. So ABC. It's going to be a DWG. It's going to be like a project wide. So for us, it's PW, and the drawing. Let's call it 0003. Okay. So that is our drawing number. So when the list file runs, it's going to go and look for this. So we've got to make sure that number there, let's copy that, copy, is the same as this drawing number here. So let's save that file, save as. Now we are going back to the right place. Yep, in the 300 project, in here, and Control V. Right, so that's that drawing number, and you can see straight away that file there, file name, is down here. We've already got that working. Now, then we need to fill in the rest of it. So let's go and have a go at that. Okay, layout A. Now this is important as well. This layout letter or number here must match this tab down here. You know, if they're not aligned, it will not work. So we'll leave that as A for now. We'll call this ABC mine. Capitals, please. We're going to call this road to nowhere. And we'll call this the locality plan. No titles. Drawing number here, that needs to be the same as that one over there. Status, not for construction. Vendor drawing number, we'll call that TBA. Rev A, drawn by SD, and we drew that today, the 28/06/2024. Designed by, Mike designed it. He designed it yesterday, 27/08/2024. It hasn't been checked. So essentially, all these cells through here, all the cells can be filled in or left blank, whatever you like. Or I should say, whatever you need to do for that particular drawing. We'll just delete those for now, just to make it tidy. Okay, so we've got our information there, and like we touched on before, this could be repeated 100 times for all the drawings. Now, first thing to remember is you've got to save it. If you save it, it'll work. If you don't save it, it won't work. Now, if I go over here now and run, let's have a look at that. Let's just zoom in there and run that lisp UTB. There it is. So that's updated. ABC mine, road to nowhere, locality plan, and there's SD and there's MM. So it really is as simple as that. So if we go back and change that and go, oh no, it's not ABC mine, it's now actually, you know, XYZ mine, XYZ, making capitals, XYZ. Now, I go there and I run the command again, UTB. You notice nothing happened. Why didn't it happen? Because I didn't save it. Okay, so if I go and save that now, save that file, come back here, run the command, UTB, there we go. It's changed that to XYZ. And of course, you know, for one file, it doesn't make a big difference. But if you've got 20 drawings, this is the key to doing them quickly. So, in short, the file, the CSV file and the drawing you want it to command must be in the same folder. You must use the CSV file that's been made for a particular title block, and you've got to save the CSV file before it will work. And this A down here, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, must match what's in your CSV file. And this drawing number here, or drawing name, must match this one here. If you do all those things, it'll work.